You can see it, the thing getting wedged in between. They really did a pretty bad design on this one.
On the ice.
See how the ice is collecting there, and that's why it's not dumping any ice. So I just gotta defrost this whole thing. I don't
How you gonna defrost that?
I get on steamer.
Oh.
Yeah, so I can steam this whole thing out, clear everything out.
What you mean on steamer?
I go on steamer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, steamer to cut.
Wow, you can see the ice all trapped inside there.
All inside there.
This is a Samsung model.
These things common, you'd be surprised how often. Oh yeah, it's wedged all the way inside.
The ice.
Yeah, right where the fan is.
Also might be blocking the flow of the fan.
Yeah.
Creating more of a problem.
Yeah, so that's why it's not dumping. This thing has a sensor inside of it.
Wow.
Yeah. So basically, without that fan, the temperature inside there, it's not going to release the ice. So it may dump that first batch that you saw inside that thing. But this here, it's not going to.
Yeah, power already. Yeah.
So right now, because it's pretty iced over, I got to melt all this before I take everything apart.
Okay.
So once that happens.
What about blow dryer? You think the blow dryer would work?
I would not use it only because everything here is made out of plastic. If you're gonna use a blow dryer, I would go at a far distance. Yeah. I've seen people use hair dryer and all that. It thing melt and it makes more problems. Yeah. Steamer is just enough because it doesn't melt the plastic or anything. So you can use like regular house steamer. Just change out the tipping of this right here. Because this is actually a commercial one, so it comes with like the brush, you know, like for steam cleaning your rug and all that. All it is just change this nozzle part off, and that should just steam that whole thing out. Yeah.
Check it out.
Our screws, these are the only two.
Oh, only get 2 screws.
Yeah. Okay, now from here,
one
slide,
there.
Slide this out.
That's a 1 screw.
Okay, just gonna put that right here. And then kind of pull this out here. Disconnect this, and then from here you got this little clip right there, yeah.
Oh, I see them underneath there. Right there.
So the easiest way.
The 2 screws right here. Right here.
Okay, so
sorry.
What I do is I use a flathead. You just kind of pop it, and it comes right off.
Oh wow! And that's the only clip holding them on.
Yep, that's it. That's it. And then I pull this down. Okay, now the other thing is, there's a little cold coil right here. That's an evaporator.
What do you got?
You just kind of
break them free.
Just pop it down. So it makes it easier.
Oh.
Okay. It's easier when this is off. Meaning
when that is
shut off the whole refrigerator.
Yeah.
Only because when you put it back on, you're gonna get a hard time putting it back on. So right here, there's a little clip right here.
Right there.
Okay. Push them in. Pull it straight down. And then you can just slide this whole thing right out. Just like that.
Oh, I
now you see where all that ice there? That's where the fans stay blowing. So you want to melt that down.
Melt that all down. Huh?
And that's why it's not pushing the ice and all that stuff going. So you see, you got ice inside here, but because
everything's all jacked up.
Yeah, it's not going to release it.